Can't do this anymore. I can't. We're done with this. I am sleeping in my office and I'm done. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today, we are starting the journey through decluttering my makeup. And I say part one because I'm actually doing like a massive overhaul of this space because my studio is where I sleep. But today is a full declutter. We are decluttering all of the makeup that I've been holding on to because I need to get a sense of what has purpose in my life and what am I just holding on to for holding on to's sake. So I'm gonna start with what actually started this whole journey when I just had a moment and I was like, I need to get rid of all of my lips. All of my lip stuff. Just entirely gone. Can't do this anymore. I can't. We're done with this. I am sleeping in my office and I'm done. I don't know what needs to get done here, but this is day one and this is what we're working with. This is usually where I end up filming and it's the only space that we had that made sense, that had some natural light. So again, bed. Office. I've been filming for a long time now and I've been doing this as my setup since we moved here, probably like 5 years. And I'm just slowly starting to realize because I need medication to help me sleep. I still struggle to sleep and I think that this is part of it. I think everyone needs a little bit of separation from their work, especially a lot of people are working from home now and it's important to have like a little spot to sleep and have sort of a peaceful existence. And so today I'm done. I'm done and I need to figure out this space. And I think step one is going to be getting rid of a lot of this makeup. I feel like this is the RachhLoves era of 2016. She was good. We love her. But I think we've evolved a little bit. I will never be done with makeup because I love makeup. But I think that this whole thing, this is getting too much. I want this makeup to inspire someone. If it's something that I have briefly tested and my friends and family can use it, it should go to a good home. I shouldn't be just harboring it here, squirreling it away for some maybe day. So here we go. I'll just keep you guys posted as I make some progress here. Starting with probably my desk. I'm probably gonna clean that up. And then I need to declutter these drawers. It's phase two. Wish me luck. It's always fun to find foundation stains on the sides of your table. All right, well, that's a good start. All right, I managed to take all of these drawers and turn it into this drawer. That's it. Oh, also, I took everything out of here. Oh, I have some new stuff I'm just inserting now, but I got everything out of here too. Honestly, that feels like a pretty successful first day. So from there, I actually moved our bed because I was literally waking up into my makeup studio. And over the course of 5 years, I think that sort of has affected my sleep, which is why I haven't been sleeping really well. So I have moved it to the other side, again, with spacing in our home and the kids and all that stuff. This just makes the best sense. So now I am still waking up into makeup. So we're gonna try and like cut this down and see what of these like organizational elements I still need in this space. So let's go over here, shall we? I have boxes ready and everything, so let's do this. Okay, so those are good. Those are the ones I'm keeping, and I think all of these are empty. Yeah, perfect. Did I do eyeliner already? This has turned into eyeshadow and eyeliner. Oh, I forgot I did this already. Beautiful. Love that for me. All right, well, let's go on to these drawers then. Start by filling this big empty diaper box. See, this is too gray. This is too gray for what I normally wear. Some of these are so old. Oh, I love this bronzer. See, this is what happens when you put things away and you forget. Oh, I love this thing. This is a highlight. Why is this in here? Are you good? Whoa, you are white. Very bright, very bright. Ooh, that one has a scent to it. The Soul one, not not a fan. Let's see if I can get this down to like a reasonable number. Ooh. Sometimes you gotta swatch them, you know? That one's a yes. This one's a no. Is this powder? What is this? The shade Shore, but that doesn't look like a bronzer. What are you? You a blush? Maybe a powder? I have no idea. All right. That's a good start. Wow. I can do this, everyone. I got this. We got this. Some of these are just really old. Like I've had this for close to 9 years, maybe. That's what it feels like anyway. Some of these are just really, really old. I'm trying to get a bunch of different tones in here too and keep some of those in, but some of them, I don't know. Why am I keeping you, you know? And this has dried up. Cool. That's a pretty shade. We like that. How do you compare to the other 17 million I have here? No, hate that one. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. You're kind of fun. I like you. All right. So let's do those two and get rid of that one. How many peach blushes can Rachel have? This is the question. That one's nice. I think I like this one better than the bright pink stick. Done. Apparently blushes is hard for me. I never reach for these ones as much. I keep them because they're so pretty. Why do I have so many blushes? It's just not necessary. And yet it is so necessary. So stinking cute. Obsessed. I just like that for like the memories, you know? Ooh, that's really pretty. Whoa, probably too light. You know who would love this though? Glow. Ugh, Melba. Such a classic. No. No. That could be pretty. Too gray. I like that one. That's too dark. Okay. You know what? Honestly, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. Let's see. Do you think... Okay. Challenging myself. If I can get all my blushes and bronzers and highlights all into one drawer. This is the challenge that I am setting for myself here. Is it weird that I want the blushes in the middle? Yes, it is, Rachel, you psychopath. Especially because it's not even gonna live in this anymore. Ooh, found a live one. No. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Highlight. Oh, my love. A lot of these are from the age when aggressive highlight was it. I don't know if that's my life anymore. Oh, this is such a freaking pretty shade. Oh, I love it so much. But like, I never use these. No, no. I think I actually have new ones of these. Aha! I love ColourPop. They're like, yours is probably too old. Here you go. Thanks, ColourPop. Oh, there we go. Now we can see everything a little bit more. Let's get this guy out. How bright are you? Very, very bright. Too much. I want to love you and I don't. No. Ooh, you're very soft. This is like the subtlest of highlights. This is good to have as a backup because I love these palettes. Love them. Some of these are just so aggressive. Oh, actually, that's not that bad. That one's kind of nice. Whoa. Kylie, girl. Eh. Honestly, I feel good about this. Okay. It's a good starting point of things that I'm keeping that aren't PR. I really try my best to go through PR as much and as quickly as I can, and I don't need to be saving too much because I'm always testing and trying new things, you know? I think I just need to reprioritize how I'm keeping my makeup because primarily it's things that I'm testing that's incoming and it's not so much the stuff that I'm keeping. So I want to keep and hold on to things that I actually love and designate more of the space to things that I'm testing. And that's just gonna make better sense. All right, so I've made a bit of progress. I got into like some of the face stuff in here. I have to show you, I'm very proud of myself. So this used to be all just high-end primers. Now we've got all of the primers, and I should probably clear this out more, but I like to keep extras too in case family come by and they need some, like a top up of primers, you know, gotta keep everyone stocked. And I moved all of my brows and everything all into the mascara and brow drawer. That is a huge discrepancy there, but again, like to have extras for family. And I got all my blush and bronzer and highlight, and I feel like this is a pretty good start. Changed into a t-shirt. It's very hot business trying to declutter. I feel like we made some good progress today, but now my kids are home from school, so I'm gonna go hang out with them, and I will see you guys tomorrow. And we're back. Good morning. And we have maybe like an hour and a half to declutter everything. So let's get into this, shall we? And we are making some good headway here. I have a box over here, I have a box here, we have a bunch of stuff over here. So let's start with this bank right here. These are products that are PR specific, and then I have these over here of things that I have purchased for videos. So let's declutter these, because anything that is new that I don't think I'm going to get around to, or I haven't gotten around to, I typically donate those to women's shelters. So I'm going to make sure to separate those out specifically for that. So let's start pulling out some of these drawers. So loud. I think I decluttered this one. Yes, I did. Of things recently. So that's good. Don't need this. Don't need this. Into a separate box. Ugh. That's pretty. That's also really pretty. Dang it. Ugh. All right, well, I want to try all of these. I don't need this one though. Yeah, so good at this, everyone. Random perfume sample. I am trash. Awesome. Right, let's start here. Trying to be choosy, it's be really hard sometimes. That looks nice. Maybe we'll try that one. It's a bronzer though. It's in the wrong container. There's a lot of stuff in here that is matte that I have kept for some reason, and typically I try to avoid anything that is matte specifically, because it just doesn't work for me. And sometimes there's going to be stuff that doesn't work for me, but it'll work for someone else. That is not going to be my shade. No. Check some of these for shade matches too. Forgot about this. What do I want to do with you? Maybe I'll give you another go. Oh, still need to test that. Nope, that. All right, wow, look at us go. So I have to test some of these for shade matches, but we are making some progress. We're making some really good progress here. Next drawer. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna put the PR stuff back in this bank. I think I'm gonna try and make this bank. I'm trying to figure out which one's gonna be for PR and which one is gonna be for favorites that I'm going to continue to use. And I don't know if it's gonna be this one, because things get lost really easily in here. So I'm wondering if I resituate this and move them into this kind of bank instead. We'll see what I'm left with. There tends to be like seasons for PR, at least for me, in terms of when products, I just get like an influx of new products because it's a new start. Like I find January is pretty intense. Right before Christmas is really intense. September, springtime. I mean, I know technically that's like most of the year, but like there's like specific periods, you know? Not a box. Keep those. No. That is expired. Let's take this all out and just see how this goes. Ah, stop it. Ah, oh no. All right, let's just go ham then. Fine. out of here. There we go. Okay, so let's sort through this. Ta-da! This here is what's left of things that I'm like excited to try out and test and play around with. So I'm excited. I think I got it down to like a reasonable level. And because I don't know where these are gonna go yet in terms of storage facilities, I'm just gonna put them in the drawer. No rhyme or reason, but they can't stay like this. This is important. I have to work off of this and then continue the declutter. Everything else, empty. By the way, up here is all like sponges, extra brushes, things like that. But I'm keeping those. So now what we need to get to are these drawers. You can see there's some tape on it, which needs to come off with like some Goo Gone or something, because I was annoyed. I was annoyed looking at like the little black spots on here. Anyway, so we're gonna take all this stuff out, I think. Let's start with that. Oh no, this is just, yeah. Wait, what is this? This is just a bunch of product that I didn't like. So I'm just gonna grab the stuff that's from this year so I have something for end of the video, and everything else needs to go in the garbage. Garbage. What are you? Just a ton of empties. Just empties. All right. Random products. Ooh, this is it, everyone. Lashes. I need to sort through my lashes. Oh my gosh. More lashes? Are you kidding me? Wow, Rachel. And then in here, actually both of those are all things for future videos, so I can't show you it. And then this is just like a bunch of perfumes, so we need to go through that too. But I guess I'm gonna start with this. So let's get this squared away. Look at this, everyone. 1, 2, 3 drawers empty, and just 1 drawer of lashes. Yay! Now I have a ton of cleaning to do now. But I think this is where I'm gonna leave part 1. I feel like we've made really good progress here, and enough that we can start moving some of this furniture out, which is exciting because, again, I don't want to be sleeping where my makeup is. But I feel really good about this progress. I feel like we have a good path forward, and we can give away makeup to, you know, deserving homes. And I think we have a bit of a vision of like what's gonna happen here. So stay tuned for part 2. If you want to see that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that I know that we can kind of continue this as a series, and we'll do like a big before and after type thing. Thank you so much, as always, for subscribing, liking, and watching this video, and I will see you guys all next week. You guys finding some things?
So much. Okay, thank you.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Very exciting. Excited and overwhelmed.
Yay!
Yay.
New homes, new
Ooh,
homes.
this is pretty.